here you go. Got the lawn going on. St. Augustine's looking nice. And it's Friday and I'm freaking tired. But here's this back here. Got some stuff going on here. Got some dog poop. Smell it. The heat of the dog poop, but like a lot of the Bermuda's coming back, so it just needs some weed management. Mostly crabgrass. I think I can get a lot of that with pre-emergent crabgrass killer tonight. Except for that. If that's that blue stem, it may not be. Hey, I want to thank everyone for the 3,000 subscribers. I haven't said thank you to anyone for any amount of subscribers, but 3,000 seems like a good landmark to start that. So I'm, I guess everyone that does YouTube that's looking for a subscriber count, pretty much wants to be monetized, and that's my ambition. I just put random stuff up on my channel. I've been doing a lot of mowing here lately, and I've been, because I started a business. I've literally let everyone let everyone in on my life about what I was doing when I went to college and got my master's degree, because I thought I was going to follow through with what I did when I worked for the government, but that just didn't end up happening. I went and became a teacher, found out that I just wasn't cut out to be a teacher, and my wife told me, well, after my retirement from the federal government, she goes, a long time, it's been a couple of years, but after the teaching job didn't work out, she asked me, she goes, well, I guess you're going to have to go get another teaching job. And I told her I'd rather mow lawns than teach. And so that's what I've been doing. And it's not that I enjoy being self-employed. I probably could make more money teaching with my workload lawn mowing now, but I just get to call the shots, man, and it's worth it. But once again, everyone, thanks for the 3,000 subscribers. I'm going to try to put out a video today. All right, thanks. Alright, so we got this lawn all nice and trimmed. There you go.